Hello everyone. How do we make AI relatable to people who are in business and who are not technical? I've been to a number of events over the last few days where I was one of many speakers, and firstly, I think we need diverse views, people from different disciplines. It's important because I, as a speaker, realize more and more that I only know that much. I'm definitely not the authority on the topic, but I do bring my own perspectives. But something that really bothers me when I go to tech conferences and when I hear other people speak, firstly, their slides are super boring and super busy. You can actually see the audience switch off. They are working on their laptops, working on their phones, because it does not relate to them. And I wonder if some speakers think they are going to impress the audience with the incredible wealth of knowledge and references and graphics and futuristic views. The person sitting there, like me, is thinking only about one thing. How does it relate to me? And no matter how academic you go, people switch off. So it is sad that this is the case. People want to hear stories. We as humans are a storytelling species. Facts and figures we can Google, or send us a document afterwards supporting all of your views. That can help us. But in that event, in that 40 or so minutes that you speak, use simple slides and tell us stories. And tell us stories about how it's gone wrong so we can learn from you. I always say, don't teach things that people can Google. Now, here is the challenge. A lot of people who speak about AI, in my opinion and experience, even though they definitely have a perspective to contribute, many of them, especially the academically inclined people, have never implemented the technology. They've researched it, as smart as they are. They give a lot of interesting points and some good advice. But how has it gone wrong? Because in my experience, it's never the technology. It's how we plan for it, how we implement it, and how we lead people on the journey with us. So it's just a call out to say, I don't know why we settle for this nonsense. Let's tell stories. But I encourage you for your AI training and events, and there are numerous people like this. Use people who are both good speakers, who connects with the audience, who tell stories, but people who have actually gotten their hands dirty in the trenches, implemented this technology, and seen how it can go wrong. We can do better as speakers when it comes to this technology. I hope you all have a great day.